watch Larry Bird in action because he makes the game so beautiful.
Look at that pass. Oh, what a show. Oh, my goodness. How did he do that?
Bird comes out on the move. Dishes to Malone. Malone comes up, stayed with it. Sigma with a hand. Tapped it back to Gervin. I don't believe he saw George Gervin. Sigma hard over the shoulder.
On the pop out. Goes right around Ballard. Behind the back to McHale.
Oh, look at that. Through the lane, left-handed flying pass.
Oh, what a pass. By Bird. Oh.
Won't go. Bird the rebound. Over his head to McHale.
What a play by Bird.
Going out. Over the head to McHale. Save that one, Gary Bird trying to get offensively oriented. And look at that pass. Oh, brothers. Bird.
There's the play of the game, right there.
Bird steals it. You can see it coming, and look at the pass to McHale.
Isn't that beautiful?
You gotta love to watch Larry Bird in action because he makes the game so beautiful. What a pass.
But he threw a bullet cross court to the Celtics. Do it so well. Here's Bird putting behind the back. Finding.
They clear aside for Larry.
Bird. Great pass. McHale for two.
Bird on the drive. Slapped away by Vincent. Bird gets it back. Saves it. Nice pass to Maxwell. What a play.
For those fakes.
Bird.
Save that one, guy.
How did he make that?
Larry Bird. Nice feed to Roby.
Boy, that was absolutely a sensational feed by Larry Bird.
Thomas wants to get it in quickly.
Now there's a steal by Bird.